or tornado. Oh shit, there's a big lightning strike. All right, I'm a skedaddle.
I'm out here at the Mississippi with one of my buddies right there, and we're doing some sturgeon fishing. We already have like 3 on the day, and we got out here like 20 minutes ago. So it's a pretty decent day, I will say. And yeah. Drum or sturgeon?
I'm saying sturgeon.
All right.
Feel the head shake. Oh.
It's a drum. So these are the rigs we're using for these sturgeon. We're just using night crawlers and just double hook rigs. Just put a whole freaking worm on there, then you're pretty much golden. I don't know what Gavin's doing, but all his rods are getting hit all the time.
Except I'm catching a little drum.
Yeah. And I'm getting hit, but I keep losing them. I think I'm setting the hook too hard. That's my guess. But as of now, I'm not sure. But like if you look at my reel right now, see where the line is? I lost a fish just now because of that. And we're catching these drum and we're giving them to people around us just because. We're not gonna keep them, and if people want to eat them for dinner, they can do that. And then we just take our lines and just zing them. Don't hit a pelican, just remember that. Scare the pelicans, just don't hit them. Maybe it's just a 20-pound sturgeon running at you.
I got one.
It's a drum. That 2 drum. All right. This one just got absolutely smacked. I think it might be a drum.
Drum wood?
Yeah. Yep. Give some people some dinner. Maybe, I'm not sure. I had it far out.
Good one. Big things for the day.
I thought you got one bigger.
Oh, I might have. I've caught out of Darda end, I've caught a 17 pounder before. Or 16 pounder.
Nice little drum.
Thank you.
No problem. Handing out dinners. Landed this absolutely stupidly sized drum. They don't fight. They sure do hit hard though.
You think so? At least 8? Dude,
I'll weigh him. Yeah.
Wait, I'm curious. That'll be a good stake. So that is a 3 pound. That's what. Have you caught anyone bigger than that?
I don't think so.
I'm guessing that's 8 pounder.
We will see. That's 4 pounds. This keeps getting hit. There we go. We got him. Yep. I bet it's another drum. He's not fighting at all. I bet it's a drum. Yep. Big rod. I feel him. Feels decent.
Oh, it's sturgeon.
Yeah.
Did you see him?
Yeah, I saw him. He feels like a windsock. Finally got something on this rod.
He's like skating across the water. He's fighting.
Or he's dragging. I don't think so.
Oh, Jam.
What? My other rod? It's very... Got one? Yeah.
Yeah, those are sirens. Awesome. We're out here fishing and there's tornado sirens going off.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you get us into, James?
I don't know. You offered to drive me.
Are you sure?
They're across the river though.
Still. Alright.
April showers. We might have the lawn of flowers.
Or tornado. Oh shit, there's a big lightning strike. Alright, I'm a skedaddle.
So that was a pretty successful day overall, but it's getting a little dicey out here. There's a bunch of thunder and lightning and stuff. A few tornado watches and warnings, and it's raining a bit, and we don't want to get hit by lightning or caught in a tornado. So we're heading out.